Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Just want to send out a short little video here. I feel like all I do is make these videos and post them to Google Classroom anymore. Um, I'm updating grades constantly and consistently. I try to, as people turn things in, to get them in the grade book. Uh, I've been trying to be clear and explain here that today, Monday, April 6th, was the first day of sort of mandatory structured instruction as best as we possibly can given the circumstances. Things are going to start being graded, and like if you don't do them, you will lose points. Everything for the last 3 weeks, to really be clear here, was enrichment work. And kudos to those of you who've been getting caught up. But there are a lot of you who have been slow in getting those enrichment activities from the last 3 weeks completed. I'm grading them very leniently. If you complete them, you get full credit. Just you need to get them completed. I'm not putting any zeros in the grade book yet, and I probably won't for a while. But I mean, please be proactive, get those assignments done. Don't need them all done now. I mean, for some of you, they may have piled up, and I don't expect that they would be done overnight. But I mean, if I was you, I would maybe focus on getting one or two of them done a day until you get caught up. So, um, if you have questions, concerns, please let me know. Um, uh, I'm trying to be as fair as possible here given the circumstances. Um, so, talk to you later. Bye.